In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from Webull. Whether you're cashing out some of your investment gains or just moving money around, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Webull app on your mobile device and sign in to your account. This step is essential as it ensures you have access to all the features necessary for managing your funds. Once logged in, take a moment to ensure that your sold investments have fully settled in your brokerage account. This is an important step because typically the proceeds from stock sales take about one trading day to settle. Only after this period will the funds be available for withdrawal. So if you've recently sold any stocks, double check that everything is settled. Now, once you've confirmed that your funds are ready, head over to the transfers section inside the app. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the option labeled Transfer Money. This feature allows you to move funds seamlessly between your Webull account and your linked bank account. Next, you'll need to tap on the up and down arrow icon. This icon is key because it switches the transfer direction. By default, it might be set to transfer funds into Webull, but you'll want to change it to transfer funds out to your linked bank account. After switching the transfer direction, you'll need to select your linked bank account. The app will display a list of bank accounts that you've already linked to your Webull account. Choose the correct one where you'd like the money to be deposited. Once you've selected your bank account, enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Be sure to double check the amount to avoid any mistakes. After entering the amount, it's time to review all the transfer details. Tap Next to proceed, but before you do, make sure everything looks correct. Finally, confirm the withdrawal request to submit it. Once you've confirmed, the withdrawal process is initiated. The funds will then be transferred to your bank account. Keep in mind, the transfer might take several business days, depending on your bank's processing times. And that's how to withdraw money from Webull. It's a simple process, but ensuring all steps are done correctly will lead to a smooth transaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.